Hi you all, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today is going to be an exciting day, especially if you love home decor. Yes, so today's a home decor video. It's all about bringing you some luxe accessories for your home. Like, accessorizing your home is very important. Not only are the big ticket items of furniture important for your home, but it's also about the little small pieces. And you guys know we just bought a new home, so it's a learning process, and I'm hoping to inspire and encourage you guys as well. So hopefully I can help you guys and inspire you to find you some nice luxe accessory pieces if you're looking for luxe. Today is all about luxe. So if you're not interested in that, go check out some of my other videos, which I have videos for everybody, whether it's for luxe or super inexpensive or DIY. But today is not a DIY day. It's all about luxe items for your home. I have all kind of different accessories today, from lamps and flowers to artwork to vases. So be sure to watch the entire video. That way you won't miss out on any of my pieces. And some of these pieces I have already purchased, I found, and I think they were nice to share with you guys. And then some pieces I ordered from online, so they look really good online, but I'm actually going to unbox them today on camera, so you guys get to see my first impression of the product out the box, okay? All right, let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Angel, and I share everything lifestyle, from home decor, DIY projects, to fashion and beauty. So be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's get started. Okay, so this first item that I'm gonna open up for you guys is unopened box. I got this from Z Gallery, and online they were so beautiful. They are candle holders. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. Oh my, this is so pretty. Oh, it's a mirror candle holder. They looked really pretty online. Really pretty online. And it looks pretty in person. It's actually taller in person than I thought. I didn't expect it to be this tall, but it is gorgeous. I actually got two of them. Let's open this other one up. All right. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. So I got two sets of candle holders. One is shorter and one is taller, but these are so pretty. Oh my god, they are gorgeous. I loved mirrored items. I've seen a lot of candle holders, but I have not saw a mirrored candle holder shaped like this. This is very modern, very contemporary. It's in the shape of a rectangle, which is why I really love them. And that's why I did order them. So Z Gallery was having a sale when I bought this, and I will try to make sure to link these below if you're looking for something like this. But these are so cute. I love them. I love them. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these just yet, but it may be in my living room, which is behind me, or maybe in my dining room, or maybe in my foyer. So I don't know. I really don't know. So just stay tuned. I will share with you where I eventually put them. But this is a great luxe accessory. I did pick up some more vases, and if you can't afford Z Gallery, look at this. OMG. So when I saw this, I fell in love. Like, this is definitely gonna go behind me in my living room. It is just gorgeous. It's made of mercury glass, and it's like ivory and silver. And I got this from Ross, guys. This was $29.99 from Ross. And when I saw it, I wanted some more. However, that Ross did not have any more. They just had that one. So I went to a few more Rosses, and look what I found. I found another big one, very, very similar to that one. Still made of that same mercury glass. And I also found another exact one like that from a different Ross. So if you want something like these, this is really tall. This is a floor one. This one's more expensive. I think it was $40, but it's really tall. I can barely pick it up. It's so big. But if you want something like this, now's the time to go check out Ross, because like I said, these were from different Ross, but it's the season form. You know, you may have to check around a few Ross, but they're definitely out there and they are definitely gorgeous vases. Floor vases can get really, really expensive. I wanted some really nice luxe vases for my home, and I was able to find those at Ross, and I was super ecstatic about that. So be sure to go check them out. I also found a few more vases at Ross. These two are really, really pretty to me. They're kind of, I don't know on camera if you can see the true color, it's kind of goldish, but these are probably also going to go in my living room behind me, or they may go in my dining room. I'm not sure yet, but this is a great accessory to your home, vases. Be sure to keep a lookout for vases. And if you notice, these are smaller than my floor vases. You want different size vases in your home. Some large, some small. They are great accessory pieces for any room. I also picked up this vase. This is just a white vase, but if you notice the shape of it, it's rippled, and then it's square, but it's like turning. This is, I love the texture of it. So incorporating different textured vases in a room also will definitely add appeal to it. I think it's a great add. You don't want to just stick with the same texture. Try to find different type vases in your color theme, and then put them in your room and then accessorize with them. One thing you with vases, like with some floor vases, you can just leave them by themselves. Some you can put straw coming out of them, the tall straw. But I think with some of these, I'm gonna put some flowers. I am thinking about adding some, oh my goodness, I can't even think of the name of the flowers I have in my head. I can't think of them. But just keep watching, because when I share, you know, more tips in the room, I will add the flowers that I cannot think of at the moment. But they're the white flowers, like the small. Oh my God, I cannot think of the name of these. I'm sorry, guys. But you can also add some flowers. I'm gonna add some white flowers to this one in particular, and maybe another one. Some vases you don't have to put anything in, like the smaller ones. These can stand alone and just be a nice little statue in your home. You really don't have to add anything. You can, of course, always add to it, but you don't always have to. So, FYI, piece of advice. So I also got some lamps, but we're gonna open these up together. Online, they looked really good, but we're gonna open these up together. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. It's crystal. It's a crystal lamp. And here's the lampshade for it. Something like that, but I think it's pretty. There's a little sign on here. It says, I'm energy saving friendly. Well, that's good. Saving money, yeah. This is pretty, guys. So I actually got 2 of these, and they will likely be in my dining room, because usually you want to get 2 of a certain type of lamp for your dining room or your bedroom, you kind of want two of the same lamps. So I got two of these. So remember that when you're accessorizing, just to be sure to get double. You don't always have to, but it just looks better when you have two of the same lamps, whether it's on your console table or on your end tables in your bedroom. Just keep that in mind. So that lamp was from Lamps Plus. I also got another lamp from Lamps Plus, and I'm going to open it up now. So that's the lampshade. Oh, it's gold on the inside. Can y'all see that? That's hot. That's hot. I like the lampshade. Let's see if the actual lamp is true to the picture. All right. Okay, so let's take the paper off. This is the lamp. To me it looked a little bit different online. I mean, I like it. I definitely like it. So this will go on here like this. So the bottom is glass and the top are leaves. I thought the leaves were a little bit more gold, like the color gold that's inside the lampshade. It's more like a dark bronze, because it was gonna go in my piano room, which is the all black room, and gold would have been the accents, but it may still work. I will say I'm just a little bit disappointed in this one. I do like it. It's heavy. It is heavy, but I'll make it work. I will make it work. This was also from Lamps Plus as well. Another Luxe item that I also picked up was this. Artwork is really just a great piece to add to your home. So this is a painting. I'm not sure how well you can see it on camera, but this is a painting from Z Gallery. I got it from the outlet though, so I only paid a quarter of the price. Another accessory you should always look out for, and definitely like Luxe accessories, are plants with white flowers like these. Like this one is so cute. This one's actually probably gonna go right behind me in the living room. I got this from Ross and it was $7.99. It is really cute. White is always nice and look. So it doesn't necessarily have to be an expensive plant, but if you can try to find a white plant, it's more luxe than the other colors. So if you want to be like classy and elegant, make sure to grab you some white ones. It looks amazing in your home. Also, I picked up another one. This one is a rose gold bottom. It's a white plant with a rose gold base, and this is also nice, and it's definitely glam. I will likely put this in my office or my closet, which both have rose gold as the theme color. Plants are great accessories for your home, so be sure to keep a lookout for those. Another great accessory are trays, okay? So this one is a pearl tray. You guys always hear me mentioning picking up trays. You can never have enough trays in your house. This is a pearl. It has pearl beads and a mirror in the center. This is gorgeous. This is going in my closet or my bedroom sitting area. I'm not sure which. I like my closet better because I'm doing a glam closet. And if you guys don't know, be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I have been sharing stories of behind the scenes of building the closet. Because guess what? My husband and I are building it ourselves. You know, we're huge DIY people. So even though the closet is huge, we bought the materials, but we're building it ourselves, and I'm actually gonna build an island as well. I will be sharing YouTube videos, of course, on how I did it and how you can do it as well. So this will likely go in my glam closet, but trays are definitely a great accessory for any room, any room, from the kitchen to the morning room to the living room to your bedroom. Trays are definitely a great accessory. Mirrored trays are definitely Luxe. So if you want to go for the Luxe feel, the Luxe style, grab you some mirrored trays, some mirrored, some crystal, some clear, some marble. Any of those is definitely Luxe. So this last Luxe accessory that I'm going to share with you guys is something I've been holding on to, and I cannot wait to open this box. You guys don't know how long I have been waiting to get this, okay? Now, this is more on the pricey side, but I have been waiting for a long time on this. When I saw it, I fell in love. But I waited, and they did finally put it on sale this holiday season, and I got it. I did. It's something that I wanted for myself. It's my Christmas gift. So this may not be for you, maybe out of your budget, but I got it on sale, and I waited till it went on sale before I got it. But I love it, and I cannot wait to open this up and share it with you guys. Oh my gosh. So what is it? That's a good question. What is it? What is it? Ooh. Okay. Yo. OMG. OMG. Oh. 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 Yo. Do you know what this is? These are some wings. Oh my God, I can't be Angel and not have angel wings in my house. Oh God. Like, this is gorge. Guys, this thing, it's actually not too heavy. I thought it was gonna be super heavy, but I'm glad it's not. But it's gorgeous. Like, I have been wanting me some angel wings for forever in my home. But first off, not only are they super hard to find, like, they're very rare. And then when you do find them, they're like small versions. You know, they're the little trinket angel wings, you know, like, I didn't want a trinket. I wanted a actual statue. I don't even know where I'm gonna put them yet. They may go in my dining room, they may go in my living room. I don't know. But I know they're gonna be in my house. And I know it's just such a gorgeous statue. That's gonna be the center of attention in any room. I am in love. I am in love. I will try to link as much as I can from this video below. So if any of those items interest you, you can find them in the link. Some of the things from Ross I may not have a link for, but I may can find something similar to link for you. If not, just be sure to stop by some Ross. You can probably find these similar items because they're in season right now. If you really like this sweater, it's actually a sweater and skirt set. I will link it below because I get asked a lot of times what I have on. So if you want this, it's really warm. I'm really hot. Okay, it's really warm. Be sure to check out the link below. I want to know what was your favorite accessory from this video. So leave me a comment. Tell me what was your favorite item from this Luxe accessory haul. I really am interested to know because I know what my favorite item is. But it would be interesting to know what you guys' favorite Luxe item was. In addition, if you want to see this room behind me, doesn't it look gorgeous just from the background? What? Be sure to head over and check out my elegant living room design ideas, and I share all of this with you. I share the room, I give you tips and ideas, and help you find the items to give you an elegant, formal living room. So I'll see you over there in that video.